it's attorney Terry Hiller. I'm a bankruptcy attorney, and I'm going to be talking about different chapters of bankruptcy that you're able to file as a consumer. First is Chapter 7. Chapter 7 is what's called a liquidation. Basically, a trustee is appointed to your case, and the trustee's job is to look through all the paperwork to make sure everything is proper. They also conduct the meeting of creditors, which is mandatory in a Chapter 7, and they also look for any assets that are not exempt under law and take those assets and reduce them to cash for the benefit of the creditors. In Chapter 7, you have to list all of your assets and all of your liabilities, meaning everything you own and everybody you owe money to. You also have to list all of your income from all sources, and you also have to list all of your expenses that you spend on a monthly basis. There are also other disclosures that you need to make, but those are the main ones that we need in order to file a bankruptcy case under Chapter 7. About a month after the filing of a Chapter 7, that's when the meeting of creditors will take place with the trustee. These days it's done by phone or Zoom. There's no longer any in-person meeting of creditors at the moment. I don't know if there ever will be either. After that meeting of creditors, which you'll have your attorney on the phone or the Zoom call with you, after that, there's a 60-day waiting period before you get your discharge from the bankruptcy court. Discharge will wipe away all the debts that you had prior to the filing of the bankruptcy case, except for certain debts that you may owe to the government and student loans, although there is being considered some way to discharge student loans in bankruptcy that lawyers and politicians are working on. Other than that, it's a pretty easy process from start to finish. It takes about 3 to 4 months, and your participation is minimal at the court, but obviously you'll be in contact with your bankruptcy attorney and his firm for all the paperwork that we need to collect to verify all the information that we have to file with the court. So that's what a Chapter 7 is all about, and I'll be talking later about Chapter 13.